Cold and cough got you down? Here's a quick rundown of 7 home remedies. 1. Honey and lemon, a classic soothing duo. 2. Ginger tea, a warming remedy with anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Steam inhalation, helps clear congested sinuses. 4. Turmeric milk, a traditional Indian cure-all. 5. Hot water gargles, a simple yet effective method. 6. Chicken soup, comfort in a bowl. 7. Plenty of rest, because your body needs energy to fight off the virus. Remember, if symptoms persist, consult a healthcare professional. Enjoyed these tips? Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Stay healthy.